Hey guys, and welcome guys back to another episode of Link's Bushcraft. And of course today we are going to be talking about a knife. Surprise, surprise. As you see by the lake, just got done finishing that. I'm going to try to do one more video after this. We shall see. But today, this is the Adventure Sworn, get my finger out of the way, bird and trout knife. It is the Voyager, CPM 154. So it is stainless, which is perfect if you're going to be doing any kind of skinning, filleting fish, whatever. This thing has shocked the hell out of me. I've cut up onions with it. If any of you guys know, carbon steel and onions is like its worst enemy. As soon as you cut into the onion, it's just like boom, patina. Can't help it. But this thing has yet to get a freaking patina. It is awesome. It is 3 millimeters thick, or 3/32, not 3 millimeters, 3/32. So it is super thin. This is as thin as the LT Wright's NSK. So yeah, it's very thin. So it is good for carving. And just like that one, it does have a low scandy grind, so it is very good for making feathers. This one I have has bird eyes maple, green liners, and of course the woodlore style handle, as you will see on all of Adventure Sworn knives. Well, majority of them. But yeah, some people like to say Coke bottle. So, Coke bottle handle. So, stupid thing, get off my freaking camera, man. I'm getting ate up by bugs. I mean, just ate up. So, I'm going to start a fire real quick. And I think I'm going to try to do something a little different to show off the knife. And maybe something you might use it for being by a pond, lake, whatever with this. So, stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. Now, being that this thing is so thin in stock, it's not going to be your best batoner. So, we'll give it our best shot. But I can find the knottiest thing I could and beat it. I had a feeling that was going to happen. I hit that right by a freaking knot, so. Right through a little grub worm. Isn't that? Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to kill you. Alright. Alright, so that should be good. Good enough to get these freaking bugs off me for a minute. I'm sure they'll come right back. So batoning, it will do it. Even though it's a thinner stock. That swedge there, like I said, with lower grinds and scandies, even though it's thin stock, it will act as a better batoner because how short that wedge is. So let's check out some feathering. Definitely not the best piece there, but try it from the side. Not the best at feathering, but we can get a few more of these made up. We'll get a fire going. Sorry, forgot to hit pause. I was actually going to show you guys this anyways. This is like a frame building fire. I don't know if you guys have ever seen anybody do that. I'm pretty sure you have. I mean, tons of people do it. But it's a good way to get your fire nice and dry, or your wood, without smothering it. And that's key, man. You smother your fire, you're screwed. So, let's make it the thing I was talking about. Alright. Now, this thing has got the dumbest name for what it is. I mean, it's pretty, me and a few other people don't agree with the name, but it is what it is. I'm going to make a frog gig. Yeah. But if you're going to be using this knife near water, and like me, where I live, there are an abundance of frogs. So, and frogs are pretty good. I don't know if any of you guys ever had them, but frog legs are pretty freaking good. About the closest things you're going to get to chicken legs there is. So, let's show you guys how to do this. Now what you want to do is you're going to tie off this. I'm just going to do a very simple knot. Like I said, I'm not the best at knots whatsoever. But this is to keep it from splitting any further down. Do this a few times. One last knot, we'll be good. Now, as you see, I don't actually have it up as high as I probably should, but this is going to be for more demonstrational. And hopefully the wood I got is not too rotten. Because really you want it to stop not much further than that. You see where I tied it? Not very smart of me. You want to find the center, because if not, you're completely going to screw it up. Alright. Next thing you need is a little twig, which I probably should have held this open. Okay, got one that way. There's one the other way. I'll use my knife here to help me out just a little. Try not to split it. Let's be smart about it. Let's do the knife upside down. Just give a little tap in there. Got ourselves a frog gig. And just break these off. There we go. Get that down a little bit. And we lost one. That's all right. We'll still have 3 points. Kind of figured that was going to happen. When I first started, it kind of went the other way. Now the hard part about this is getting your knife down in there and getting these where they're nice and sharp like this. But being the fact this is so thin, this is something absolutely perfect for it. There you have it. Not the best, but she will do. Say this leaves your frog. There you go. We'll just go ahead and keep this in the shelter. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. So, my thoughts, final thoughts, on the Adventure Sworn Voyager. It is absolutely stunning of a knife. I wish it was a little sunnier out so you can actually see the woodwork in this. It's just mesmerizing. See the mirror finish? But yeah, this thing is freaking awesome. So hopefully I helped some of you guys out. And like I said, there's no videos on this one out there, so I kind of want to do something a little different with it. You can see that flat back. This thing fits amazingly in your hand. It's extremely comfortable for long uses. And like I said, CPM 154 has become some of my favorites still. I do like CPM 3V, but not as much as CPM 154. And anyways, guys, get out in the woods. I'm not going to ramble in this video too much. Enjoy life. If you would, like, share, subscribe. And down here, there is a notification bell. So when you hit it, you'll get a little ding, 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 ding when I make videos. Which I don't make very often, but I try to. Like I said today, I made a few of them, so I'm just going to post them over the next week. But besides that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'm going to put a link below for the Adventure Sworn. And every now and then, right now you can actually get an Explorer. So I very highly recommend do that. It's the Mountaineer handle with a different blade. And it is just one of my absolute favorite looking knives. I have two Mountaineers. I really wish I had the money to get the Explorer right now, but so it goes. But he's also, every week, he puts up different knives for sale, available blades. So go to his website, adventureswarm.com, and check him out. Like I said, he makes some of the best bushcraft knives in the business. Between him and AA Forge, I mean, I've just fallen in love with both of them. Both those guys just make tremendous custom knives. Like I said, this is not this is not a production knife. It's not going to be production prices. I mean, you're going to spend over $200 on it. So I am rambling. Anyways, guys, take care. Thank you for watching.